Sir, welcome to Jeanette's Cuisine. Do you hold any reservation?
Yes, I hold the reservation.
Sir, just wait. Please sit here and I will check on the reservation checklist if your name is.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Ano na tira makayan? Pati pangkuhan, papansin.
Mr. Lazan, your reservation table is at number 2. This way, please.
Okay.
Is this table set up okay with you?
I think it's nice. Thank you.
Gasa na mga baso.
For your complimentary drink, sir, what would you prefer? Juice, water, or coffee?
Just a glass of water.
Yes, I will. Here's your water, sir. I will be back with the menu book. Excuse me, sir. Would you like me to unfold the table napkins for you and place it on your lap?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. I will be back with your menu.
Okay.
Sir, here is our menu book for your food and beverage selection.
Oh.
If you are ready to order, sir, don't hesitate to call my attention. I will be at the bar station area. Excuse me.
Okay. Waiter.
Yes, sir. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I want just a clubhouse sandwich and a salad. Vegetable. That would be nice.
Okay, sir. For your beverage.
Just a wine. Your best selling wine. Here.
Okay. I will repeat your order, sir. Your order is clubhouse sandwich, vegetable salad, and our best-selling wine.
Yes.
Is that all?
Yes.
Excuse me. Okay, sir. The food preparation will take 10 to 15 minutes. Are you ready to wait?
Yes.
While waiting, sir, we have a TV, Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi, or any magazines. What would you prefer?
Just a bag.
Okay, sir.
Pili mo newspaper.
Excuse me, sir. Kitchen, one clubhouse sandwich and one vegetable salad, please.
Knowledge.
Bartender, our best-selling wine, please. One bottle.
Knowledge.
Cashier, here's the order list for table number 2 for your completion.
Okay.
Kinat.
Table number 2 is ready to dish out.
Go.
Okay, sir, here's your order. One clubhouse sandwich and vegetable salad. Enjoy your meal, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Puritas po.
Tapos.
Ano to, ang wine? Hindi ka din ang wine. Ito na ito dito. Itanda na naman ito na.
Ito daw, no?
Dali, kay may napaka-pwede ka pa mo.
Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your food?
Yes.
Is it okay to you if I dish out your soil dishes?
Okay. Dapat
No.
Alam mo yun.
Excuse me, sir. I will be back to serve your wine.
Okay.
Go.
Matatayo ka. Go.
Yan, hindi po lang. Oh shit. Ano ulit? Oh shit.
Go.
Excuse me, sir. Here is your Carlo Rossi wine. Distilled in Italy,
Okay.
manufactured in the Philippines in the year 1990.
Okay.
Would you like me to open the
Yes.
bottle for you, sir?
Yes. Ibutak mo, hindi mo kaya.
Sir, here is the cork of the wine for your test and evaluation.
Smells nice.
Would you like me to pour wine in your cordial glass?
Yes. Okay.
How was it, sir?
That was good.
Would you like me to pour it in your red wine glass?
Yes.
Okay. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to call me and I will just be at the bar station area and willing to serve you with a hug. Here's your bottle of wine, sir. Enjoy.
Bill. Bill, please.
Here's. How was the wine, sir?
That was good.
So here's your bill.
Explain ang bill. Punta. Pero ang bill,
What mode of payment would you prefer in paying, sir?
wala ko pa ito.
I would like to pay it in credit.
Okay, sir. I will be needing your credit card and your valid ID for confirmation.
Okay. So here's my ID and credit card.
Excuse me, sir. I will be back with your receipt.
Okay.
Cashier, here's the credit card and the valid ID of table number 2.
First the receipt and Please the receipt and card and valid ID for table.
Here is your receipt, sir. Just please sign here. Thank you for dining in with us. Do you have your personal car with you, sir, or I will book a grab for you?
I have my own card.
Thank you for visiting. Hope to see you again.